So you start renaming and also putting the IP address of the server. So right click, then system. Palitan na rin natin pangalan natin. Rename. Then CSU server. Next. Of course, it will also restart. Pero isabay na natin yung paglalagay sa kanya ng IP. What is the shortcut that we said a while ago? On Windows run. Ano na yun? ncpa.cpl. So para diretso tayo dito, then we can change the IP address. Let's say I have used also 200 classic. That one, that 3 pa rin. Then /24. That one, that ang gateway ko si that one. For instance, yan yung router natin. So remember when you set this kind of actual, no? Real life. So si .3 dapat hindi na ibibigay ni router mo because it was assigned statically to your server. Okay? So, anong DNS ko? Yung sarili ko. Saka yung o pwede yung ating 200.1.1.1. Because usually, your DNS is also your gateway. Diba? You can see that every time that you connect to a certain network, whatever your gateway is the same thing as your DNS. Okay? Okay. Close. So of course, we have to restart now for affecting the computer name itself. So we don't have a problem anymore with the client. So we have to start working with the server. So we start now working with the roles. Anong roles ang kailangan nating i-add, no? So naka-enumerate din naman dun sa test package whatever roles that you need. But the MERF fact, the first advantage that we want to do is your client will become the domain. No? I-add natin siya dun sa domain natin. So of course, we have to install first the domain. So admin, yun ang nilagay kong password. So I'm using Windows 2019 server. Pwede rin naman yung 2022 na binigay ko kay sir. Same thing, parehas lang din. Of course, mas bago lang yung version ni 2022. So we'll go with add roles. Then next. Puro next lang din. No? Next. So you would notice take into effect na yung user account, yung pangalan niya, and then yung IP. So dapat yung talagang mauna nating iset. No? Para pagka nag-add tayo ng roles, yun yung mga ilalagay niya sa settings. So next. So we select the first DNS. Add features. Kasi pag nag-DNS tayo, may kailangan siyang i-add na other application or package. You just add next, then next, then next. Puro next lang, then install. Halos puro ganun lang naman yung pag-add roles. Okay? So what we have finished is the DNS. Susunod yung active domain. No? So mag-add naman tayo ng domain for the user accounts natin. After those two, saka naman tayo magpo-promote ng domain. Papangalanan na natin ng csu.org. So depende na naman dun sa nakalagay dun sa test package. Nakalagay dun sa test package is css.org. So yun ilalagay natin. So close. Again, we'll Ayan o, nakita nyo, meron na tayong DNS. Then add roles again. So we go with next again. Next. Next, the same server. So we go with this one. Active Directory Domain Services. Okay. Then next. Then next. Next. Install. So, after nyan, saka na tayo mag-promote ng domain. So, when we have done with this portion, medyo matagal na siya mag-restart dito on. No? On applying all those changes dun sa sync server. Close. Then, okay. And then, nilalabas dito na wala pa. Ano ba nangyari? Okay. Yun. Yung inaantay ko. Okay? So, dapat lalabas po yan. After we have installed the two things, yung domain, saka yung ating ADDS. Okay? So, we have now to promote, and based from the instruction again, we have to create a new forest. So, mag-a-add tayo ng new, and then we type, yun yung nakalagay sa test package, which is we have CSS, CSU.org. Ngayon, ang ilagay natin. Okay? Then just click next again. Yun lang. Talagang medyo pinapakita ko na sa inyo yun para later on, the rest, puro actual na lang tayo para kung ano yung hindi natin ma-resolve. Ngayon pa lang, makita na natin yung mga problem that we can resolve it immediately. No? Kung gusto ko nga, dapat lahat may encounter yung po pwedeng problem para alam natin. So mamaya mag-sharing tayo kung ano yung mga na-encounter nyo. So we can put any other remedy kung paano anong nangyari, no? Para alam yung gagawin nyo when you encounter it. So I just use the same password as my admin. Ito yung password na tuwing may gagawin ko sa client, manghihingi siya ng password as administrator. So once na i-member mo kasi ang isang computer sa domain, manghihingi siya ng account ng admin. Okay? So next natin. So next. Then, siya nang bahala mag-create ng bagong NetBIOS name natin. Malamang CSU ang ilalagay niya dyan. Oh, tama. Kasi yung domain natin. Then, so syempre, puro next lang. Ano? Parang nag-install lang talaga tayo ng application. Napakadali na talagang mag-install. Puro next, next, next. Then, finish. Click the OK button. Then, finish. Diba? Yun yung balita kahapon. Sabing double meaning. Sabi ni sa TV Patrol ba yun? Bakit? Paano kung Bisaya kayo nagsabi? Eh, naka-record lang tayo. Stop.